Hola mis amores! Today the video is going to be about Cowboy Caviar. Now, this is my daughter-in-law's one of her favorite dips, and today's her birthday, and so I wanted to make it for her. Now, I hope you can see how beautiful everything is in here. I already pre-recorded the ingredients and how to put everything together because it's labor intensive as far as chopping everything up goes. But once you chop everything up and then you put it in, you literally put it all together and then you make the dressing. Now I did want to make sure that in the dressing, I think I forgot to say that there was lime juice, but this is amazing. Look at this. There's beans, there's red onions, there's cilantro, lime juice, jalapeños, corn, feta cheese, peppers. I mean, there's so many things. It's phenomenal. There's mango in here, green olives, just all the things. I hope you make it. I hope you enjoy, and you'll see coming up in the next couple the next part of this video, you'll see all the ingredients and just tossing it all together with the dressing, and voila. You have an amazing dip that everybody's gonna be asking you for the recipe. Now, I personally have seen so many different recipes made with this. I mean, I should say not so many recipes, variations of the same recipe made with this. Meaning you can put the feta cheese in or leave it out. You can put in jalapeños if you like spicy. If not, leave them out. Cilantro if you like it. If you hate it, leave it out. Red onion if you like it, leave it out. Some people use garbanzo beans. Instead, we use pinto beans and black beans. You can use any combination you like. Pretty much though, everything is the same as far as the dressing. The dressing is lime juice, a honey or a sugar, some red wine vinegar, and also, let me see, what else did we put in there? I put in some Ancho chili powder, and I also put in some sweet smoked paprika. So again, up to you how you want yours, but I suggest you Google or look up a few videos and see what works for you and merge them together, because that's what I always do in the kitchen. I look up a few videos and then I just run with what I want. So hope you like this, hope you make it, and enjoy your chips and salsa. Buen provecho. Take care, mis amores. Okay, so we are going to make this Cowboy Caviar, and I'm going to show you the ingredients. Now, this took a while to chop up and prep, so I will forewarn you. This will take a little bit to cut up all these pieces, and you want to cut them little so that you can put it on your tortilla chip efficiently. Now, in here we have cucumbers, red onions, and a beautiful, beautiful orange and red bell pepper. We have some cilantro over there. Here we have 2 cans of beans. One is pinto and one is black, and we drained out all the juice and rinsed. This right here, this line is all mango. And then over here we have avocado. And then over here we have corn, sweet corn. And then this is fresh jalapeno. And here, if you can see, is pickled jalapeno. It's sweetened, but it's still spicy. And then here, if you can see, there's a little bit of a line right here. This is stuffed green olives with blue cheese. Amazing, because we love all the cheeses and all the olives, and we didn't have any black ones. And then right here you see this is all feta cheese. We're going to put everything in this awesome container, mix it together with this fabulous dressing that I made. And in this dressing we have a very spicy honey with chili, it's honey chili. I don't know, you can buy it at the stores, but it's a honey chili. And then we also put in, so it's honey, chili, ancho chili, smoked paprika, red wine vinegar, olive oil, some sugar, and then you mix it all together to see. Yes, Junior's protesting because he is not feeling well today. But this is his mother's favorite birthday dish, and we are making Cowboy Caviar for her. So you whip all of that together in this container, and then you put all the ingredients into the bowl. So you're not going to see my face much, but we're going to dump it all in here and mix it together. And again, I do highly suggest from some of the videos that I've watched that you cut this up. Yes, we're making messes, but that's okay. You cut it up as finely as possible because you want to be able to taste all the flavors on your chip. And if you leave it too big, it won't. You'll get like more flavors. Do you see the corn that's jumping ship over there? You won't taste it as much. So, chopped up. Here we go. Perfection. We got to do it before Junior has a full meltdown. Poor Munchkin. He is not feeling good. He got that summer cold I was worried about. All right. And then we're going to add some of our sauce. And again, this is to your liking. I've been watching lots of Cowboy Caviar videos. Everybody does it different. I feel like I didn't say that we added mango. I did. Okay, cool. Just in case. I don't know. Sometimes I blank out. But you guys, you know, mango is definitely in here for some sweetness. And in one of the videos, I saw that the lady put pineapple and mango. Apparently the one that went viral on TikTok. But I don't think we need it that sweet. So, ta-da. Everything is done. And this is what it looks like. Amazing.